Hello everyone, welcome to this video. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your Discord banner. So if you want to change your Discord banner, then all you need to do is open the app just like this. And basically once you've done that, simply head over to the bottom right corner of your screen, right here at your profile picture. And then what you need to do in order to change your banner is click on edit profile. And then right here you will see this banner. So in order to change it, what you simply need to do is click on a pencil icon. And then right here you will be able to find banner color, and this is basically how you can change the color of your banner. Now let's say that we don't want to change the color of our banner, but we want to actually add a photo. Then in order to do this you actually need Nitro. This is a paid service you can get over on Discord, and once you've paid for that you can add photos, memes or GIFs to your banner over on Discord, and basically that's all you need to do. But yeah, if you don't want to pay you can simply just click on the pencil icon and you can change the banner color. That's basically all you need to do. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.